Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm a sewing tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew a zip. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. Finish the raw edges of your fabric with a zigzag stitch. Unclip the normal machine foot and clip the zipper foot on. Pin your closed-ended zip closed along the raw edge which you're attaching it to, right sides together, aligning the outer edges. Use your zipper foot to help you line up your work close to the zipper teeth. You don't want to go too close. On some machines, you can adjust the needle position. Carefully sew down the side of your zip using a straight stitch. Top tip: when you get close to the zipper pull, leave your needle down in the fabric, lift your foot up, and then slide the zipper pull down the zip. Then you can continue sewing. Repeat the process on the other side, making sure you line up the fabric to match the other side. Unclip the normal machine foot and clip on the zipper foot. If you want to, finish the raw edge of your fabric with a zigzag stitch. Pin your invisible zip open along the raw edges which you're attaching it to, right sides together, aligning the outer edges. Use your zipper foot to help you line up your work close to the zipper teeth. You should peel back the zipper teeth to reveal the tiny groove alongside it. You want to sew as close as you can to the teeth. You can adjust the needle position on some machines. Carefully sew down the side of your zip. Once you reach the zipper pull, sew as closely as you can around it. Repeat the process on the other side, making sure you line up the fabric to match the other side. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. We'd love to read your comments. And join us for more videos soon.